And welcome to my channel. So today I'm not doing no makeup. What I'm doing is blow drying my hair, and I am going to try the beach wave style. I hope it comes out because I saw like 1,000 videos. So I surely hope it comes out. So to do that, you first have to get it blown. So you can see I have half of my hair blown already. I got this part left. And then I am going to try, after that, I'm going to use the curling iron. But to blow dry my hair, I use this awesome blower. It's a Dyson. State of the art. It's crazy. It leaves my hair so soft. I hate that I still have flyaways, but I'm still experimenting with stuff for that kind of stuff, for the flyaways. So I'll be back when the other half is dried, and I will show you what I'm going to be using for the curls. Okay? Thanks for watching. I'll be back. Hello, so welcome back. So this is my hair blown. See if I can show it from the mirror. Oh my God, my face is completely red. That's my hair blown. Remember, my hair is thick. So now what I got left is to do the twirls, and what I'm aiming for is that beach curl style. I have a few little bit of flyaways. I am going to put a little bit of argan oil. I don't know where it is, but again, this is the awesome blower that I used for my hair. It's a Dyson. It is quite cool. It's silent. The air is super hot. I mean, it's awesome. It's awesome. I'm sure that the reason why I got a little bit of flyaways is because I need to get something to apply after I blow up my hair. But I'm still learning what to use, what not to use. So this is what I'm going to use to do the curls. I hope I don't get burned. Oh my goodness, I hope I don't get burned. So I'm gonna do the curls, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys. Guys, thank you for watching. Please leave me comments below. Give me ideas, give me suggestions, like what can I use after I blow dry my hair. You know, my hair is thick, it's wavy. I would say, I know that there's categories for curly type hair. My hair's not that curly. I tried that Diva curl thing, and I didn't, I don't know, it just didn't work that much. So I'm gonna plug this in, guys, and I will be back. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, hello again. So this is the way I'm doing the wand. I haven't burned myself yet. I mean, I have felt close heat. So I just twist it, but I try for it not to be too tight. Not too tight, and then I leave the bottom end because I want the curls to be in the center. So I got most of the hair done. I had to take a break to feed my son, my doggy Max. and my cat. Once I'm done, I will just brush my hair with my fingers. I don't like hairspray on my hair. It creates buildup. But I know that there's things out there, new things out there that I can buy, which I am going to probably go out and look tomorrow. So you see, not too tight. You don't want it too tight. So remember, you do this after your hair is blown. So I was sitting here thinking while I was doing this, what I'm going to wear for Mother's Day. I want to look beautiful because I was a good mother. I am a good mother till today. So I have a beautiful stepdaughter, and I have my daughter that is 27, and my son that is 22. Look how beautiful. May is a very, very busy month. So May 11th. Oh, okay. I haven't missed it. May 11th was the day that I met my husband. Then, first comes that Mother's Day is coming up. I have a lot of sisters. Then comes my son's birthday. Then comes the day that I got married, which was May 28th, I believe it is. So May is like the busiest month for us. So for my son, I am making him something beautiful from hand. It's very beautiful. So see, it's not tight. And even if it becomes tight, you can loosen it. You can loosen it. Just a few seconds. I don't know what I'm going to do, what I'm going to apply, but I'll just go to the pharmacy tomorrow and pick something. I didn't know that now they have hairspray shampoo. That's crazy. That's crazy. So if they have that, they're going to have a lot of other things. A lot of other things. I am so surprised that I haven't burned myself yet. So I want to keep the part. I definitely want to keep the part. So I just got, for now, I hope 2 strands left. Oh boy. Oh boy. So I am looking for Mother's Day for a pantsuit. That's what I want to wear. A beautiful, maybe floral pantsuit. So that's what I want to wear. You can follow me on my Instagram, Wonderfully. Does it have an underscore? No, Wonderfully Made. WAN, Wonderfully Made _13. So I'll be posting some pictures there of whatever outfit I decide to go with. I'll probably decide to just go comfortable. I mean, I'm going to church. After church, I'll probably go have brunch with my sister and my beautiful daughter. My son, He's in love. And he just recently went through a traumatization, which I'm asking the Lord to help me forgive. And I'm not even going to discuss it here because I pray and it's in the Lord's hands. He's going to take care of everything for me. Not that I wish bad on anybody, but that He will help me forgive and forget, and so that I can help my son as well. Oh wow. This is going to look absolutely beautiful. Okay, there goes just the curls. I'm trying to see that I didn't forget any part. This is way, way better than Diva Curl. Absolutely better. I think there's a part here. Yeah, I found a part here that I need to redo. So I'm just gonna grab it. See, twist it around, not too tight. And you leave the bottom part. You go like this a little bit just to make sure it's not tight. You can go up if you want the curl a little bit higher. So, yeah. Mother's Day is definitely a beautiful day for the mothers. Daddies get their days too. Daddies get their day. Okay? Okay, I just don't want, I don't know if I missed anything. Okay. Just excuse me. So I can get up and look at my hair from behind. I have a mirror here and it can help me. I'm going on a damn long video again. Okay. So it's under 15. Gosh, this lighting is terrible. Terrible. Okay. So now is when I am going to brush my fingers through it. Whew. Okay, let's see. Excuse me. It's a lot of curls. Way better than Diva Curl, that's for sure. Definitely better than Diva Curl. Definitely. So you see, so I got the curls in the middle. I have to see about straightening this part here. The curls are in the middle and the bottom is straight. So this is what you call the beach wave curls. Absolutely stunning. I think there is one around here that I just need to do really quick. You'll excuse me. So I figured I'd do my hair today because I'm gonna have a very busy day tomorrow. And I figured I'd do my hair today. See? You just tighten it. Okay. Wow. Definitely better than Diva Curl. See, this is why I love YouTube. You just bump into so many beautiful things. I am going to apply argan oil on the top. See? I got like flyaways. So I'm going to apply a little bit of argan oil. I probably apply a little bit all over my hair because it looks kind of dry. Again, I need to find stuff. I did buy shea shampoo. I think I'm going to put 2 clips right here. Yeah, 2 clips right there. Excuse me. I'm just putting a little bit of oil. So if you guys like this style, please, please, please leave me a comment, leave me suggestions. Please just start from the back. I didn't never want to apply any more heat to my hair, but I can't seem to get these curls. I hope I'm on the camera. Don't be shy to leave me a comment telling me, hey, listen, I know this product is good for after you blow dry your hair and you straighten it, and then you do those curls, you know. I really, really can use some feedback, some help on, you know, what to apply once this curls up. So, I'm loving it. So I'm gonna constantly do like the Kardashians. No, I'm just kidding. I am myself, and I love myself. Anyways, this is it. These are the results. Excuse me. I love it. I absolutely love it. Beach curl, beach wave style. When I go to Puerto Rico, when I get in that water, my hair dries up, and I get these amazing curls that I've never seen in my life. So maybe I need to get something with sea salt on it. I don't know. But there you go. There's the beauty. I love it. I love it. I hardly ever get to do my hair. So what do you guys think if I just put my bangs? What do you guys think about the bangs? Let's see. Let's see. How about that, guys? No way. My daughter will have a heart attack. My daughter would definitely have a heart attack. No, I don't need that. I'm telling you, I stopped using the bangs. And I just have them there and I play with them every now and then. I think I love the way my hair came out. Maybe I should apply more argan oil. And I think I am going to end this video on 20 minutes. Argan oil is good for your hair. You guys can Google it. It's really good for your hair. So don't be afraid to put argan oil in your hair. So this is it. These are the results. Thanks for watching. Please leave me a message. Please subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching me and being a subscriber. Thank you so much. And have a great